So I've had a lot of people ask me if I can teach them how to solve a Rubik's Cube that they want to learn. They saw me doing it on my Snapchat or Instagram. Now what I'm about to tell you is the foundation of every part of solving a Rubik's Cube, and it's very important to know. A lot of people don't realize this. Now, if you already know this, then awesome, but if you don't, check this out. It sucks that Snapchat only records 10 seconds, so the center square never moves. This is the green side, that's the yellow, that's the blue, that's the red, that's the white, that's the orange side. No matter what layer that you move, the center doesn't move. So guess what? That has to be orange, bro. You know, I've kind of been inspired to make some instructional videos and throw them on YouTube, so maybe look forward to that. I might actually get into that and throw that on the internet. So when I teach somebody how to solve a Rubik's Cube, I teach them the way that I learned, which is the Frederick's method, where you solve each layer individually. I always instruct everybody to put the white on the very bottom, and then we're going to solve the first layer, then the second, then the third. So if we're going to solve the first layer is going to be completely white right here. This row would be all orange to match this side, blue, and then red. Okay, with that being said, if this is the white side and that's the green side, this piece has to be white and green. Make sense? Now real quick, let's distinguish the fact that these are side pieces, these are corner pieces. Side, corner, side. Alright, let's get back to what we were doing. This is the white side, this is green side. We gotta find the green and white piece, the side piece that belongs here. Where are you? You are right there. Oh, so you can move that over, and now that matches. Alright, so over here we got an orange and white piece that belongs there, blue and white, red and white. And we got a blue and white piece right there. Hey, just move that down. There it goes, matched. Now, the orange piece right there. So we got orange and white that matches. We got the blue and white matches there. We almost have the matching pieces that are solved in the plus, but we're missing the red and white one right here. Oh shit. See, this one's kind of easy because it's already set up. The colors aren't inverted at all, meaning that this would be on the red and the white would be on that side, and you have to flip it. Let's just flip it anyway so that you can see what I'm talking about. One-handed, sorry. There you go. See, obviously, when I make real tutorials and post them on YouTube, they're going to be a lot better than this, but this is just a little quick Snapchat tutorial. Now we have a majority of the white side completed with the matching side pieces that match their corresponding other sides. Now we need the corner pieces. So remember how I was explaining the centerpieces don't move? This will be the green side. When we're done, this will be the red side. This will be the white side. Keep the white side down. That being said, this corner piece has to have red on this side, has to have green on that side, and white on this side. So we need to find that green, white, and red. Ironically, that green and white and red is right above where it belongs. So literally, I can just do that and put it right into place. So these are considered solved cubies. That is solved. That is the correct piece in the right spot. That is green side, red side, and white. Next we look around for other white corner pieces. There's one red, white, and blue. Here's an orange, white, and blue. Beauty of keeping the white on the bottom and working on the bottom layer is you can move the top layer and it never affects anything that you did on the bottom. So you don't want to screw that stuff up. So use the top to move. With that being said, I have a corner piece that is orange, blue, and white. And here is my blue, orange, and white corner. Let's move it over there. And there you go. Solved cubie. We are almost complete. All we need is red, blue, and white corner. And then the orange, green. So this part is going to be a little bit more advanced because we have one cube that belongs all the way in this corner, but for some reason it got stuck in this finished corner. Now I realize that this video isn't going to help anybody because I'm not giving anybody the algorithms, but I'm just showing you how this works. Let's go back. So we got this orange, white, and green one. Let's move this here. So far we have that much solved. Every bottom layer matches its centerpiece except for this last corner. Piece I found on the top. So let's just go ahead and get it out, put it back in, get it out, move around, and get it back in. And there you have it. The whole white layer is done, the whole white side is done, and the whole first layer is done, and all solved. Now in order to solve the second layer, the middle is already there, it doesn't move, so we just got to solve the side pieces. This piece, guess what? Green and red. This piece, shit, this piece is already there, but the colors don't match, so we need to flip that cube. This one's going to be orange and blue. Makes sense? The second layer is always fun because you only have the side pieces. The center is already done. Now let's find a side piece. Here we go, a red and a green one. Red and green belongs between the red and the green. Okay, it's going to go there. Now the more important thing is to match the facing color. That doesn't match. So you move it over here. And this tells me I got to roll it to the left. Alright, follow me. Boom, right there. You get a side cube that's already in a side piece, but it's either somewhere else or it's in the right spot but the wrong orientation. So all you have to do to fix this is get the side piece out by moving this right algorithm or this piece left algorithm. Alright, I choose this side. And there you have it. It put that piece there and pop this out. So now we can match the facing side and do the same. And then once you do all the sides, you have 2 full layers done. Solve the top, you find the backwards L, do an algorithm to make it a line, then do it again to make it a T. You go to the algorithm once, you do it again, and then you'll get a plus. There you go. To get the plus, you look for the side pieces and try to find 2 of them that match together. So none of that matches. Let's move this. Okay, we got 2 matching, orange and then red. When you have them opposite sides, you have to do an algorithm to get them to touch sides. You can see here, the red is matching here, not matching and matching, so it's like a line. They're complete opposite sides. So the algorithm that I performed makes the matching side pieces be adjacent instead of across from each other. It's important. Take a look at the rest of the side pieces, they don't match. So what we need to do is we need to take the matching ones, put it on the right back side away from us. Then you perform the same algorithm that you used to make them go from opposite sides to adjacent. Do it one more time with them on the far back right side and it'll fix it. Just like so. Now we have a matching side. We still have the yellow plus on top. The whole first 2 layers is solved, but now all the side pieces match as well. So the next one would be to look at all of your corner pieces right here. We got to get those fixed. Now you find the one that's in the right spot. We got orange and green. Nope. That corner piece belongs somewhere else. And then we have blue. Oh, here we go. So I found the cubie that is in the correct position. This is red, blue, and yellow. And it's exactly where it needs to be, but it's not right. It needs to be turned. We'll come back to that cube. More importantly, we need to make sure that the rest of the corner pieces are all in the right spots. That is an orange and green one. Belongs somewhere else. Same with that one. You do this is you find the corrected one and you put it in the top right corner and you do a specific algorithm and it'll help fix the rest of them. Watch. Green one belongs there. We have red and green, perfect. We have orange green, perfect. We have blue and orange, perfect. All the corner cubies are in the right location. We do need to reorient them and fix them so that the colors match each side. Thing is stiff. I have no idea how annoying this cube is. I miss my cubes. That's okay though. I got this. There you have it.